What up? Happy Saturday. What's going on? I'm thirsty as crap. Look, one of the passengers got on here and be like, "I'm finna go into the store. Do you want something? I'll get it for you when you get back." I said, "Sure. Either orange juice or a ginger ale." Which y'all know I love ginger ale. So the Lord went in there with her in that store and told her, "Give me a ginger ale," because she could have just got an orange juice. Because I said ginger ale or orange juice, but she got it right. Shouts out to you, passenger. Shouts out to you. I'm ready to go. Let me stop saying I'm ready to go. That is obvious, but oh my God, y'all, it's raining, and it's supposed to rain all day today. And I don't think I like that. But I ain't got no choice. Because the Lord doing his work. Yes, he is. Sit down. But, listen here, listen up. This is what I'm about to tell you. Back of my head hurt. Like, right here in this area. The bottom left area of my head hurt. And it's probably because I'm doing all this driving and the way I position myself while I'm driving. Anyway, my head hurt back here, but it's easing up a little bit, just a little bit. But I need for it to go on the way. Yes. But I hope y'all Saturday's going good thus far. I hope y'all are dry. If you're in the Winston-Salem area, stay out the water. Unless it's my water. Whew, Lord, have a sense of humor, because we act up over here. Make me sweat. Make me holler. Make me hold my breath. Make me water. 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 I be having to catch myself. But I love y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.